Hello and welcome back to the video. So I hope you guys had an awesome Easter break. The footage in this week's video will be from last weekend's ride. We hit the mountain. We also did some fun stuff around the Bronx, but we'll jump into that in a moment. So if you guys haven't seen it yet, we just launched the long-lived two-stroke tees. So they come in a couple of different colors. Well, first of all, it's got the chest pocket print on the front, and then it's got the long live the two-stroke print on the back. They come in this dark green, dark red with the cream print, and then it also comes in black with red print. We also have stock coming on the keep ripping flat caps and dad hats. So guys, please support the channel, support the builds, grab yourself some merch if you want to. If you don't want to grab some merch, well, I actually have to extend a thank you to you guys, because I've really been enjoying the upward trend the channel has been on. So if you guys can't afford to grab a shirt, or if you don't want to grab a shirt or a cap or whatever, just hit that subscribe button. It also goes a long way to help. But if you want some merch, check out the online order form and grab yourself some.
What's up and welcome back to the videos. So today we are here at the Bronx. We're gonna work on a little fun parody kind of video, and then we're gonna hit the trails and I don't know, hoon around. This video is gonna be all over. Gonna get some shots, some third-person shots for you guys on the mountain, so you can see how we cuck off. Yeah, because it's gonna be a long day on the mountain. Yeah. What are you doing?
Just checking out this bike, making sure everything's nice and buttoned up. Gonna give it a little test ride today. Little roof ready. YZ, yeah?
Yeah, this bike is fully kitted out with unnecessarily shaved seats. Sick cage. It's got the disc guards from PSP, radiator guards from PSP, front disc guard, and the e-start. Ice cold, baby, ice cold. And that's how you carry your bike up a mountain. True hard enduro. Limbo time.
Stick, not too bad. Oh, I think Rick is probably just gonna drop this in the berm just to mess with me, but we've got a carefully constructed frame here. We've got a berm and we've got a dirt bike.
We finished filming our little video. I think it's gonna come out sick. We did some awesome fun stuff. Now we're gonna throw the GoPros on and we're actually gonna go hit the trails. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Nice try, man. So we're chilling here on the mountain, filming some more clips. Yeah, and the idea is for Zane to hit a rock with the bash guard on the Yamaha. But it seems like today he's having some difficulty actually hitting the rocks. He's just riding over them.
I think the rocks are scared.
Yeah,
Scared getting battered by this little cage.
Oh no. The Rasian cage.
So,
But look at this view, man. Beautiful. Yeah, on our little copy at the Bronx. Huh? So I didn't record the previous clip, but we're on top of the mountain here, well, making our way down from that side. Now we're gonna go down the steep freaking ditch all the way down there. Zane is going to get a rock so you can illustrate what happens if you fuck up on this climb. Look, it's Rocky Balboa. Is it Rocky or is it fucking Rambo with the camos?
Yo, Rambo's been out in the bush a little bit too long, boys. That's pretty much where I stopped last time.
Pretty much. It finally stopped rolling. Sorry about the sun. Not a lot of storm over here. So if you guys were wondering what bike I'm riding Zane's KTM 250 XCW. Thanks for borrowing me the whip, dude.
2013, so
Yeah.
had a lot of pounding over the years, almost like Rickett.
Okay, now I'm gonna hand over the camera to Zane, and then I'm gonna come down this hill like a little bitch. Good shit.
Kom nog af. Nice. Go, go, go.
So what's happening, dude?
Trying to cool down, yeah? On this beautiful mountain spring.
Yeah, it's a bit spicy on the mountain, yeah? We traversing around the side. Reckon this is a little bit of a different perspective than what you guys already have of the Bronx.